So I'm gonna try to show the second head. It is now a perfect match as well. I've successfully peeled off the excess material that was preventing the piston to get to the top dead center. So now I'm gonna just polish this surface as well to get rid of the scratch, and I've cleaned it beforehand, so I'm gonna be ready to clean a bit the bed for the cylinder, and so I'm gonna be able to assemble the engine on this bike as well. So guys, I just realized something, that I'm doing something very stupid, which is replacing the top half of the engine with this completely new kit, but not disassembling the bottom half. Obviously I have lots of play in the crankshaft, which means the bearings have to be replaced at some point, now when the engine is going to be even more powerful. But at this point I'm gonna just assemble everything and make sure that it runs okay, and if it does, then I'm gonna just take the time and disassemble the engine and replace the bearings obviously. But now when I've assembled the engine, it is pointless to just disassemble it right away and start the process of replacing the bearings, because I don't have the bracket that I need to remove the flywheel that is on the other side, that is also the generator. And while I get that, I try to find the bracket that I need to remove the flywheel, is gonna be a while. So I'm just gonna assemble this engine for now, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna perform, if there is any problem with it, and then I'm gonna take the extra steps. So let's get back to the cleaning of I'm gonna clean this half, because now after I have mounted the seal on the crankshaft and the top half is assembled, I can remove this silicone that is applied here for gasket, and I'm gonna give it a wash, because now I can do that, and I'm gonna completely assemble everything.